हेलो एवरीवन। अगर आप शेनेजन वीज़ा अप्लाई करते हैं और वो अगर रिजेक्ट हो जाता है तो आपके पास दो ऑप्शंस होते हैं, या तो आप उसको री अप्लाई कर सकते हैं या फिर आप उसको री अपील कर सकते हैं। तो दोनों ही सिनेरियो में क्या क्राइटेरिया है, आप उसको कैसे उसको अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, आइए देखते हैं कंप्लीट इन्फॉर्मेशन इसके बारे में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। री अप्लाई फॉर अ शेनेजन वीज़ा आफ्टर रिजेक्शन। हेयर इज़ व्हाट यू नीड टू नो। Schengen visa applicants are allowed to reapply after having their visa rejected. When reapplying, it is crucial to address all the reasons why the visa was initially denied. Writing a cover letter can boost your chances of getting a Schengen visa. If your Schengen visa was refused, should you reappeal or reapply? So let's see. When your Schengen visa is denied, there are two things you can do: appeal or reapply. By appealing, you require that your application gets revised once again, while by reapplying, you start your application process from the start. It is best to appeal if you strongly believe that all your documents are correct, you have sufficient evidence to prove that you have enough funds for this trip, if that was the reason for your previous rejection. If you are in no hurry to visit a Schengen state, the appeal is a long procedure. If you do not want to spend more money on a Schengen visa application, appealing is a low-cost option if a country has issued an alert against you. Reapplying is the right choice if, let's see, you have solved the issues of why your application was initially rejected. If your visit has more of an urgent nature, by reapplying, you can get a Schengen visa quicker than by appealing it. If you are willing to spend more money, reapplying means starting the application process all over again, including paying service fees. The most important thing when applying or reapplying for a Schengen visa is to provide all of the required documents, which include the following. Let's see. A fully completed and signed visa application form, 2 photos, a passport valid for at least 3 months after the date of leaving of Schengen zone, flight itineraries, travel insurance, accommodation documents or invitation letter, bank statement or sponsorship letter or both, evidence of 90 euros visa fees paid. Let's move forward. How to reapply. If your travel plans have not changed, it is best to reapply in the same country as you did in the previous application. In this way, you know where to address any concerns regarding your application. Most common reasons for visa refusal are inconsistent travel itineraries, insufficient funds, or unclear motives of your visit to the Schengen states. If you got your application rejected and you think there are no solid reasons for that, write a cover letter. The letter should clearly state your previous rejection motives and how you have addressed them. तो ये ऑप्शंस होते हैं आपके पास, री एप्लीकेशन या री अपील। तो दोनों ही ऑप्शन आप चूज़ कर सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू योर सर्कमस्टांसेस। इसके बारे में, शेनेजन वीज़ा के बारे में कोई और भी हेल्प चाहिए आपको, यू कैन कमेंट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।